Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am sharing this lovely little box. It's sizable. Let's see. It is about just over 3 inches, 3¼ inches wide, and 5½ or just over 5½ inches tall, and about 1 inch wide. So in case you're looking for something with those dimensions, I was thinking a deck of cards would work well, even sort of a bigger deck of cards. Kind of fun. So I used several products using this doing this project. We have Painterly Pears Designer Series paper. We have a stitch circle from the Stylish Shape dies. We've used a 2-inch punch. I fussy cut the flowers out, and we have dimensionals, and that is it. So there's nothing really special, and you can do this at home. And if you want to learn how to make this, come along with me and we'll make it together. This is a piece of Secret C cardstock, and it is 9¼ by 8. And on the long side, I'm going to score at 3/4 inch, 4, 5, and 8¼ Okay, I'm going to turn it round. We're going to score it at 1, 6½ and 7½. All right, we're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. Alrighty, so we're going to cut up on all our score lines, and we're going to remove some bits. All right, so we are going to remove this little bit here. It is a rectangle, 2 rectangles. And then we are going to remove this whole section here. So these 2 rectangles. All right, so now we're going to cut up on all these score lines. And we're going to remove this one. And we're going to wedge these guys here. And then on the top portion, we're going to remove this score section, and we are going to wedge going to remove this rectangle. And then we're going to wedge this little flap. All right, so that is what you should have. I'm going to come in with my Seal Plus. I've just flipped it over. We are going to add adhesive really close to the score line here. We're also going to add adhesive to this little flap, this little flap. Okay, so we're folding it and folding it like that. So we have the box made. Now we are going to place one piece. This would be the opposite, how do I explain this? The back piece. So you can see that this is the flap here, right? So this back piece we're going to put in first. Then we're going to put our tabs in. And just to make this even more secure, I am going to put adhesive. Oh, how can I do this and hold? There we go. All right. So here we are. We've got our lovely little, it's almost like this could hold cards, of like a deck of cards or tarot cards or something like that. Fun stuff. All right, we have two pieces. I'm just going to close this of Designer Series paper that is 3 inches by 5 1/4. So do you remember this? It's called Painterly Pears. So front and back, 2 pieces, 3 by 5 1/4. And don't be afraid of white space, you guys. All right, and then we have 2 pieces, 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. And of course we have a lid, which is the 1 by 3 for the lid. All right, so I have a stitched circle here that I am going to put our greeting on. This is a piece of basic white. I'm going to use Secret C because that's our cardstock. And this is the product of the month for January 2026. So you can get this for $5 if you make a purchase of 100. So this is very inexpensive. Happy birthday, you're on my mind. Thank you. Sending love. Hello. You can do anything. So much. Hooray to a fabulous friend, just because there are simply no words for this. Really nice sentiments. So this is a 2-inch punch. And I have my adhesive here. And this 2-inch punch works really nicely with that stitched circle from, it is called the Stylish Shapes Dies. All right, we're going to put some dimensionals, and we're also going to put some flowers on this. The pattern paper, again, is called Painterly Pears. I believe that's what it's called. It's still available, so I love that right there. And then I fussy cut a few of these blossoms, quite a few, from the paper. It's the nice thing about this paper. It has lots of flowers. All right, so I have some mini dimensionals and some glue dots. So I'm going to zhuzh up my little box here. We're going to start with, glue dotting, and then maybe mini dimensionals on the back side of some of them. I don't know if I'll use them all, but that's cute. Give them all kind of different levels. Let go. There, that's where I want you. And I don't know why, but I really like these little flowers that I cut out. All right, I think I'll do one more. Really cute. All right. Well, that's my share for today, everybody. I really like it. It's super cute. I don't know why, but I'm getting a Hawaiian feel from it. It's probably because of those flowers. So, yeah, you don't have to write anything down. You can just go to the link in the description box below here on YouTube and head to my blog where you'll find all the information how to put this together. It is all free, and I share all the dimensions and everything with you with a few more pictures. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Monday. Bye for now.